how to fix your Xbox controller not charging. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your cable. You want to make sure that you have used the original Xbox USB-C cable or a high quality one, and try a different cable to rule out damage or wear. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your power source. You want to plug the cable into a USB port or another power source. You want to avoid low power ports like some TV or keyboard USB ports. Also, try to inspect the controller port. Sometimes what happens is it does get damaged. You want to also make sure that you have your rechargeable battery pack. Make sure it is seated properly. Also, you can try using a different controller if that is not working. Your controller might also have a firmware update. So you want to simply go ahead and connect your controller to your console and then go to accessories, controller, and update it. If your controller has any damage, it could also have a problem, or you could simply go ahead and try contacting the support.xbox.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.